Yo, what's up guys? So I'm back with another video, and today my girlfriend's gonna be doing oil change. So she's done her oil change once in her car before, and let's see if she remembers. It was like fucking 4 months ago. So I figured it was a good video, seeing if she can remember everything. Why? What's so funny?
I can't. I don't like being on camera.
She doesn't like being on camera.
Is it high enough?
So she's gonna be doing the let's go higher. Unless you fit, you're probably tiny. You can fit in there. Yeah, you can fit underneath that.
So the video is gonna be long. Presses start. Gets quiet. Presses pause.
All right, so just getting the stuff that she needs to drain the oil. She getting the oil pan, which is have a mess right there.
Right here.
So fast. All right, so just getting what size do you need?
I think it's a 16.
So you think it's a 16? I don't know yet. I don't remember what it was from last time. So she's gonna start draining the oil, and so far so good. She still remembers what she needs to do. Dropping shit. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. It works?
17?
Yep.
Alright. You got that right. 1 to 17 actually, not 16.
Somebody, the Incredible Hulk, had to put it on there though.
She's still a little too weak. I'm not getting underneath her. I'm not gonna get dirty. So, better get it out. Let's see how long it takes to get it out.
Oh, for real.
Alright, let me help her.
Boy, it's black.
That's what she said.
You want me to film from underneath here?
No, I got it. Hold on. Alright, so she get it loose. She was going the wrong way. But at least so far so good. So if you want, you can come up here, open your hood, and take your oil filter while that drains. So her oil filter's on the top of the engine, and I fucking hate those kind of oil filter, even though they're easy. But that plastic cap, I'll show you in a second. It fucking sucks.
You remember which one it was?
It's a 10mm.
Nah. Yeah, it was.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right. All right, so fucking new cars, you have plastic over it. So you gotta take all this. I think it's 6 bolts. You gotta take the 6 bolts out, and then the oil filter is like right here in the corner. So just getting a 10mm. Take the shit out. If here finds one, cause my tools are everywhere, so I don't even know where's my 10mm at. So this is the cap that I fucking hate. She got it out. Let's see how long it takes to get it out. I was watching. But so literally all she needs to do is just take the cap out, put the oil in. Put the filter, the new filter in, put the oil drain back in, and just put oil. So far so good. She hasn't fucked anything up. She barely fucking reaches.
Okay.
She's like 4'11". The car is like taller than her.
I just wait for it to stop leaking.
Yeah.
It looks like chocolate.
So these cars, when you buy the filter, they come with a 2 new gaskets, and they're a pain in the ass to get out. So
Screwdriver?
yeah. So let me get our screwdriver real quick. So we got it out. Gotta screw this bitch in, and put the oil drain back in, and she'll be done.
Honey, you didn't tell me.
All right, so she forgot to take the the plug from the oil pan, and now the oil it's so the oil is using the almost spilling from the oil pan. I don't know if you can see that.
Okay, well, in my defense, our other one didn't have it, so.
Yeah, she forgot. She didn't know. So, but luckily it's just 6 cords. 6 cords. If it were a little bit more, it would have spilled over the fucking ground. So that's the only mistake she made. At least it didn't spill anywhere. But now she has to put her hand in the oil pan to get the plug out. So that's fun. But she's just putting the oil drain plug right now, and the oil filter is done. So that's the last step she has. She's put this on, lower the car, add the oil, and she's all done.
Right here?
All right, so
Where's the cap?
It's to the fucking border. Look at that shit. Hey, it's like right there, like right here.
All right, let's see if she's gonna go fishing for it now.
I'm take off my good ring.
Oh, she gotta carry the ring off, huh? Oh man, this is funny. Hold it. It's not that deep. There you go. There you go.
Oh my god.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
The car's been sitting outside for a day already, so the oil is like freezing cold. Not
It's
freezing.
like
but-
chocolate. Oh my god.
Have you seen the meme where the guy says, "When your daddy's not watching," and he put his mouth underneath the oil? All right, so she just has to lower it right now, and put oil, and then should be all done. She gotta take that 710 cap out.
So weak.
All right, so you should be fine. Oh, let me see. So she's done. Just gonna put the oil in. Take these out real quick. Yep, you're done. Should be all Gucci to put the oil in now. Don't spill now. Don't spill it.
Not.
Oh yeah, it had a little hole on the bottom, so I put some duct tape. So that's 2.5 quarts, and then I have the rest over here because I've used half of that one already. So quick time lapse. She's being so lazy. She doesn't want to put the fucking cover on. She said just to leave it to the side because she doesn't need it. It's not necessary. It makes it look way better because look at that shit. Yeah.
Says the one who was complaining when he did it.
I hate the cover, but you gotta put it in.
Exposed.
He's talking shit about me now. Jesus Christ. She fucked that up.
Did I?
Alright, so you gotta wipe the stick out real good. Wipe the stick, yep.
What are you so stupid?
So let's see if my math was correct. And I put 6 quarts. I think it's like a little bit under 6, like 5.8, but it should be good enough. Flip it the other side. You touched it though, you fucked up. Yeah, you good. You good.
I fucked up?
No, you good. It's perfect. So now, I put the boost controller on my car, so see if it actually boosts like, what, 15 pounds? Alright, so this is the boost controller that I have right now. So I take the hoses out real quick, if they want to come out. They're in there. There you go. So the side one goes to wastegate, and then bottom one goes from the turbo to here. I never put zip ties here because there's not really that much pressure going to it, so I never had a problem, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna get a zip tie and tie it down real quick and go around the block and make sure she runs good and doesn't overboost. If not, just lower it a little bit because I don't know how many pounds it's at right now. So let me do that real quick. It's freaking cold in here, so luckily I bought that wide angle because right now I'm sitting in my seat. I can barely record in here. Like, I don't even know how much you guys can see me, but I'm sure it's not much, or it's like super close on my face. But so let's see how long it takes to start because it's cold outside and this battery is kind of dead. Hopefully it just starts though. Come on, please start. There you go. It's only 85, so it never wants to start when it's cold outside. AFR's pretty decent. I don't like how she idles on low RPMs though. It needs to be tuned better because you can see the AFRs always go down when it's cold, and once it warms up, it goes back to 14.98. But she definitely needs a better tune. So let me let it idle here for a couple minutes. Get the computer and turn off the boost controller. Since I had the electric one, so I have to shut it off on my tune now, so it won't be opening the valve that I have on over there. Even though it's not gonna cost anything, but I want it to have it off anyways. So let me do that real quick.